आविका नहीं महिमा अब दिखेंगी आयुष शर्मा के साथ इन द मूवी अंतिम द फाइनल ट्रूथ, which also stars Salman Khan as a sick cop. Ayush Sharma, whose last film Love Ratri didn't have too many yatris making trips to the movie theater to watch it, अब जीजाजी सलमान खान के हेल्थ से दोबारा बॉक्स ऑफिस पे अपने आप को प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Ayush, who is hoping this is not the Antim film of his career, will be seen playing a gangster in the movie Antim The Final Truth, which is the remake of a Marathi film Mulchi Pattern. It seems like the makers are being very choosy when it comes to which TV actress will play the female lead opposite Ayush, but after much speculation, they finally may have arrived at a decision. Take a look. Salman's first look from the film made waves recently, and it was Ayush who shared a video of Salman walking towards the set wearing a pagadi, kadha and looking like a total Gabru Jawan. Ayush has also been filming for Antim for quite a few days now, but it seems that it has taken the makers quite some time to find a leading lady who will share screen space with Ayush. There were rumors that Avika Gaur, who had started her career as a child star with the TV show Balika Vadhu, will be making her big screen debut with Antim and playing the female lead opposite Ayush. But it seems now that another actor will get this opportunity. अंतिम के डायरेक्टर महेश मांजरेकर ने भी इस बात को कंफर्म किया है that Avika will not be seen in Antim. According to some reports, actor Mahima Makwana has bagged the role opposite Ayush and will be making her big screen debut with this movie. Mahima has acted in several TV shows and is a popular small screen star. Looks like the varied roles she has played in her career helped her bag this role. Avika has been waiting to make her big screen debut for quite some time now and has undergone a fabulous transformation from a cute child star to a beautiful leading lady. और उनकी acting talent के बारे में तो सब जानते ही हैं. But in the meanwhile, two other youngsters are joining the unit of Antim in completely different capacities. और ये है डायरेक्टर महेश मांजरेकर के अपने बच्चे Ashwini and Satya, who are a part of their father's latest film. But interesting बात ये है कि Ashwini is a trained chef who has now taken up the charge of catering meals for the unit of the film. Yup, you heard that right. अच्छे खाने के बिना तो कोई film unit काम नहीं कर सकती, and Ashwini is also using this opportunity to pamper her father by making something really special for her hardworking dad every day. While Ashwini is handling the catering, Mahesh Ji's son Satya is working as an assistant director on the movie and learning the ropes of filmmaking and acting at close quarters. महेश जी ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा था कि सत्या एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, but he is learning the ropes first. On set, he gets no special treatment and works just as hard as any of the other ADs. Well, let's hope कि Antim changes Ayush Sharma's fortunes and becomes a hit he so desperately needs at this point in his career.